Hello students, welcome to the Bright Skills Educator. Myself Tiwari sir, and you are watching recorded video lectures of English grammar. Now, in the previous lecture we have finished past tense. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the future tense. Students, in future tense, first one is the simple future tense. It's all the rules are written here. See carefully. Affirmative. As I told you earlier, whatever types of tenses, there the only basic is subject plus verb plus object. This is the only things. Okay? In simple future tense, affirmative type is subject, and in the supporting verb will and shall is used. Will and shall. Students, will is used for all the subjects and where there is some certainty, and shall is used with I and we, and sometimes in general language we use will with I and we. I will do that, we will come here, we will decide about that. But why we are using will there? Students, will shows the certainty of a certain things, which is fixed, which is certain, then we will use instead of shall. But most probably in common things we use shall with I and we. Understood? Now students, here supporting verb in future tense is will and shall. Okay? So subject plus will and shall plus main verb in first form, then object, then etc. If you see carefully, only this one is changing everywhere and remaining things are same. Okay? Verb only changes in different tense. Subject will remain on its position. Object will be also remain on its position. Only place of only verb form changes. Here will shall plus main verb in first form, right? And for negative, as I told you earlier, that not should be placed after supporting verb. Here supporting verb is will shall, so after will and shall not you have to place. Okay? And for verbal type, will shall is a supporting verb. It should be removed from here and placed before subject. Will shall plus subject plus main verb in first form plus object plus etc. And as usual, WH type words should be placed before will and shall, and the proper rule will be WH word plus will shall plus subject, then main verb in first form, then object, and then etc. are object 2 of the sentence. Okay? Let us see some examples, and for examples we have done earlier many examples, and related to those examples I write Ravi will speak with me tomorrow. Previously, yesterday was there, but it is future tense, so Ravi will speak with me tomorrow. Right? Second example I am writing, he will decide to travel with me. Third sentence, I shall call my friends. I shall call my friends. And fourth one, we shall finish our work on time. Only 4 examples I am taking. It's very simple. Ravi will speak with me tomorrow. he will decide to travel with me. Third one, I shall call you my friends. I shall call my friends and we shall finish our work on time. Okay, students. Now this is the example of affirmative sentence. So write down all these rules and then example of affirmative sentence. These are the examples of affirmative. Okay, note down all these things. Now students, stop the video and write down this one. Now students, the same thing we have to convert it to negative. Instead of affirmative, you have to convert it negative, and all you know how to write negative sentence. Students, simply you have to put not after will or shall. ध्यान से देखना, Ravi will speak with me tomorrow. Ravi will not speak. यहाँ पे आपको क्या डालना है? Not. Ravi will not speak with me tomorrow. Okay? He will not. He will not decide to travel with me. I shall not. जहां पर भी will shall है उसकी जस्ट बाद में आप not ऐड कर दो. I shall not call my friends. We shall not finish our work on time. समझ में आया? तो this is example of negative. और अभी तक आपको इतना तो पता ही हो गया होगा और इतना अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो गया होगा कि नॉट कहाँ पे ऐड करना है, WH सेंटेंस कैसे बनाने हैं, वर्बल टाइप सेंटेंस कैसे बनाने हैं. सो यू कैन डू इट फास्टर. अंडरस्टूड? सो नोट डाउन ऑल द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ नेगेटिव आल्सो. Okay students, now we have to convert it into verbal type, example of verbal type, and you can do it example of verbal type or yes no type question. Students, in this one verbal type, simply you have to do just remove the will shall from its place and place it before subject. Just remove will shall from its place and place it before the subject. Okay students, see here carefully. Will is here. यहाँ पर भी देखो, these things should be removed from here and it should be placed before subject. So in verbal type it becomes will Ravi speak with me tomorrow and put a question mark. Here will he decide to travel with me, put a question mark. Shall will come here. Shall I call my friends, question mark. And here shall we finish our work on time and put a question mark. आप सिमिलरिटी देख रहे हो ना, ऑलमोस्ट सभी के रूल्स एक जैसे हैं. कैसे इंट्रोगेटिव बनाना है, कैसे नेगेटिव बनाना है, कैसे अफर्मेटिव करना है, ऑल द रूल्स आर सेम. हियर will, all the will and shall is removed from its position and they are placed before subject and sentence is complete. Understood? Just note on this one. Will Ravi speak with me tomorrow? Will he decide to travel with me? Shall I call my friends? Shall we finish our work on time? Understood? So note on this one. Now students, WH type. Fourth one is the example of WH type questions. As you have done earlier in past tense, before will shall you have to place WH type word. Before will shall you have to place WH type of word. Students, this is the first sentence. Will Ravi speak with me tomorrow? Why will Ravi speak with me tomorrow? रवि मुझसे कल क्यों बात करेगा? रवि मुझसे कल क्यों बात करेगा? Second sentence, will he decide to travel with me? When will he decide to travel with me? Third sentence, shall I call my friend? So when shall, again you can put when, why shall, and where shall I call my friends? Anything you want to add, you can add. And the fourth one, shall we finish our work on time? What should be here? Why shall we finish our work on time? हम लोग अपना काम समय पे क्यों खत्म करेंगे? समझ में आ गया? So you note down all four examples of WH type also. In this way, your simple future tense is finished. Then we will see future continuous tense. Note down this one. Okay students, this is future continuous tense. Format is subject plus will shall plus be plus main verb in ing form plus object plus etc. Similarly here students, negative simply add not after will and shall should become subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus ing form of verb. It is main verb plus ing, main verb ing form plus object plus etc. Here verbal type of question, will shall plus subject plus be plus main verb in ing form plus object plus etc. And WH type questions, WH is added before will and shall, then subject, then be, then main verb in ing form, then object, then etc. These are the rules. And making negative, making verbal, making WH time, everything is same as earlier. Now see students, example of affirmative sentence. Ravi will be speaking with me. Ravi will be speaking with me. I shall be watching movie. Girls will be discussing about homework. And last sentence is we shall be playing in the garden. So if you are making negative, simply you have to add not here. Ravi will not be speaking with me. I shall not be. I shall not be watching movie. Girls will not be discussing about homework. And we shall not be playing in the garden. So these are the examples of negative. So you write down example of negative also. These are the examples of negative. Complete this one, then we will see verbal type of sentences. Okay students, stop it and write down it, then proceed further. Finished? Okay. Let us see. First remove not here. And as I told you earlier, in verbal type of supporting verb should be removed and it should be placed before subject. Supporting verb should be removed. Students, यहाँ पे supporting verb क्या है? You can see these all are supporting verbs. So they should be removed from here and they should be placed before subject. Students, then you will form the sentence, will Ravi be? Will Ravi be speaking with me? And put a question mark here. Similarly here, shall I be watching movie, put a question mark, and will girls be discussing about homework, put a question mark, and finally, shall we be playing in the garden, put a question mark. Understood this one? Now these are the verbal type of sentences. So you note down all 4 verbal sentences. Then after writing this one, we will do about the WH type of sentences of future continuous tense. Now students, simply you have to add WH type of word before will and shall. So your first sentence will be, why will Ravi be speaking with me? Why will Ravi be speaking with me? Second one is, when shall I be watching movie? Third sentence, where will girls be discussing about homework? And fourth one is that, shall we be playing in the garden? When shall we be playing in the garden? In this way, your future continuous tense is over. Now we will see about the future perfect tense. Note down this one, students. Now students, this is future perfect tense. Its syntax is, or you can say rule is, subject plus will shall plus have plus main verb in third form plus object plus etc. part of the sentence. Making negative, simply you have to put not before will and shall. Simply you have to put not before will and shall, and you will form negative sentence. Subject plus will shall plus not plus have plus main verb in third form plus object plus etc. And making verbal type, just remove will shall from here and place before subject. Will shall plus subject plus have plus main verb in third form plus object plus etc. And for WH type, before will or shall you have to place WH word, what, where, when, why, whatever it is. WH word plus will or shall plus subject plus have plus main verb in third form plus object plus etc. Let us see some example. First example, they will have completed their work. They will have completed their work. Second example, I shall have bought. It is second form, third form of buy. I shall have bought some books. Third sentence, we shall have called you, and the fourth sentence, people will have gone to their village. People will have gone to their village. Students, making negative is very easy. How to make negative? Just put not after will or shall. Here you have to put not. Here not. they will not have completed their work. Sentence ध्यान से सुनो. They will have not completed their work. I shall not have bought some books. We shall not have called you. We shall not have called you. And people will not have gone to their village. Understood how to form negative sentence? So note down these examples of this one and previously example of affirmative sentences also. And you have to make verbal type of that one. So remove not from here. Now it's again becomes affirmative type of sentence. Those who has not written examples, they can write down from here. And after that, just place not between will and have or shall and have. It will be negative form of the sentence. Now students, verbal type of, as I told you, will or shall should be removed from here and they should be placed before subject. And your sentence becomes, will they have completed? Will they have completed? T should be in small letter. Will they have completed their work and a question mark. Similarly here, shall I have bought some books, question mark, and shall we have called you, and finally last sentence, will people have gone to their village. Understood all four sentences? Now after writing these sentences of verbal type of questions, make WH type of, just put WH word before will or shall. So it becomes, when will they have completed their work? Where shall I have bought some books? Third sentence, why shall we have called you? And finally, when will people have gone to their village? So in this way students, your future perfect tense is also finished and the next topic is future perfect continuous. After writing this one, we'll proceed for the future perfect continuous tense. Understood this? Just note down it, then we'll proceed for the future perfect continuous tense. Students, now it is future perfect continuous tense. Affirmative, subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus main verb ing plus object. And after object, time should be also there. Okay. Negative, subject will shall have plus not plus been plus main verb ing plus object. Similarly here in verbal type of question, will shall should be removed and placed before subject. Will shall plus subject plus have plus been plus main verb ing plus object. And WH type, put WH word before will and shall, then subject, then have, then been, main verb ing plus object, etc. Okay. Now let us see examples related to future perfect continuous tense. Students, we shall have been living here for 4 years by next June. You have to mention the time. Okay. We shall have been living here for 4 years by next June. So next example is that they will have been working in this industry for 20 years next August. Understood this one? It's only two examples here. So you can convert them into negative, you can convert them into verbal type of question, then WH type of questions. So it will become, we shall have not been living here for 4 years by next June. We shall have not been living here for 4 years by next June. समझाना नॉट कहाँ पर आएगा? We shall have not been. Have के just बाद में not आ जाएगा. Similarly, they will have not been working in this industry for 20 years next August. तो ये दोनों sentences को आप negative बना लोगे. कैसे बनाओगे? यहाँ पे have के बाद में not, यहाँ पर भी have के बाद में not add करना पड़ेगा. अब इसी को verbal बनाना है. वर्बल बनाने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? हैव को यहां से रिमूव करोगे और सब्जेक्ट के पहले लेके आओगे. हैव वी शैल बी लिविंग हियर फॉर 4 years बाय नेक्स्ट जून. ओके, सॉरी, हैव को रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, शैल को रिमूव करेंगे. एंड हियर विल शुड बी रिमूव. Shall we have been living here for 4 years by next June? तो shall यहाँ से रिमूव होके पहले आ जाएगा. तो shall we have been living here for 4 years by next June. Similarly, will यहाँ से रिमूव करेंगे और they के पहले लाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Will they have been working in this industry? तो आपका सेंटेंस कैसा बन जाएगा यहाँ पे? See students, it becomes shall we have, it is cancelled here, it is removed, और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Will they have been working this industry for 20 years next August? Understood? If you want to frame WH type of sentence, put a WH word here, appropriate WH word. Why shall we have been living here for 4 years by next June? And what should be here? Again, why should be there? Because where is not appropriate, because where's answer is already here, this industry. So put why, and WH word should be placed according to sentence. Understood? Understand students? Now students, after completing future tense, our all three tenses are over. So in the next lecture, we will see change the voice related to tenses. Till then, have a good day, watch my video, share your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a good day.